The government will slap tariffs on imported rice beginning March 3, but employees of the National Food Authority are looking to file a case at the Supreme Court against the implementation of the rice tariffication law. Shyla Francisco with the story.
Employees wore black to mourn the enactment of the rice tariffication measure during the National Food Authority's flag ceremony. NFA OIC Administrator Tomas Escarez couldn't help but get emotional.
Our hardworking, dedicated, highly competent professional employees that no one will be adversely affected.
The law is expected to lower rice prices and ensure a stable supply by allowing the unregulated entry of rice imports that will now be tariffied. The tariff is 35% for rice from ASEAN countries and at least 50% for imports from non-ASEAN countries. Revenues collected from the tariff will go to a Rice Competitiveness Enhancement Fund to protect farmers and improve their productivity. The law also removes the regulatory function of the NFA, whose job now will be limited to ensuring sufficient buffer stock. For now, the agency is uncertain if it can still sell NFA rice.
If indeed NFA would be confined to buffer stocking, allowed pa ba siyang mag-distribute para sa marginalized poor? I don't know how would do it.
Majority of the agency's 4,000 employees, meanwhile, fear they may lose their jobs. Now, the NFA Employees Association plans to file a case before the Supreme Court.
For violating our security of tenure rights. Kasi, karamihan, halos lahat kami, kung hindi 100%, we are permanent and career government workers. Dahil sa batas na to, mawawalan kami ng kabuhayan forcefully.
Farmers also plan to file a temporary restraining order.
The farmers were not consulted by Villar in crafting the bill.
Malacanang, however, has suspicions on where the opposition is coming from.
Mukhang hindi naman yung mga farmers mismo. Mukhang yung mga middlemen na nagre-reklamo eh. The palace welcomes any move from any sector questioning any act of the government.
The NFA Council is now ironing out the implementing rules and regulations of the rice tariffication law. Shyla Francisco, VR1 News.